Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today, I am cooking spaghetti.
Okay.
Yan. And first, I'm gonna boil some hot water. Then, while the water is boiling later on, we're going to chop onions and garlic. Yun.
So, and then we're going to cook spaghetti number 9. There you go. Italian spaghetti. Yung maliliit lang ito. Yung manipis siya. And then, saan mo? Meron pang panyan. And then, see you later. See you later, guys. While we are
chopping the onions. So, here we go. Tapos na po kaming we are done chopping the onions and also the garlic and also our hot dogs that we can add in our sauce later on. Yan. And I opened also already our Filipino style sauce, spaghetti sauce.
Yeah.
And then another tomato paste to add. Then our condensed to mix later on in our sauce too. Yan.
Di ba ba kung ano yan muna?
Ha?
Di ba ba lutuin mo na yan? Or atayin mo muna ito yan?
Ito.
Yan.
Then we're going to cook the onion and the garlic. Yan. Lang. Ayan.
I'm eating banana.
Banana.
Yeah.
Banana.
Ano lalagay mo yan? Nothing?
Oil. Yeah.
No.
Olive oil natin. Let's add olive oil. Wait lang. Let's check if it is hot. If the pan is hot. Yan. Baba. Yun. So you can
Kumukulo na yun. Wait lang. Ano? Ngayon. Pangit.
And now we're going to put our spaghetti sauce.
Oh, may kanta pala, may pamintanak-tanak.
Ooh.
Sige lang. Oh. Wait na, panitin lang natin. I-mix mo na yung isa.
And then, konting head to oil.
Ito
Right.
lang yan. Hmm. So, ito yan. Wait. Come mo nga ito. There you go. Ganun mo lang siya. Huwag mo lang ipilit. Okay? Then, mix it. Just mix it well. Never ang tanggalin mong i-burn mo ulit. Yan. Iwan mo na yan.
So, ayan, kumukulo na din ang ating hot water. Yan. So, let's put our pasta.
Spaghetti. We call it spaghetti. Pag yung pasta is yung macaroni.
Ito yung manipis.
Ganun ang cookery. So, you add water, you add salt or not? So, okay na. So, sige pa. More. So, okay, and then, lagyan mo ng